Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a common issue reported by iPhone users: excessive iCloud drive storage consumption and the presence of unnecessary files, including recently accessed ones. In this video, I'll guide you through several detailed solutions to tackle this problem effectively. Open the Settings app again and tap on your Apple ID name at the top. From there, select iCloud and then iCloud Drive. Navigate to Apps Syncing to iCloud Drive and disable syncing for all the listed apps. Then go back and toggle off the switch for Sync This iPhone. Then go all the way back to home screen. Now force restart your iPhone. To do so, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once the iPhone restarts, head over to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID name at the top. From there, select iCloud and then iCloud Drive, and toggle the switch back on to re-enable syncing. Then tap on App Syncing to iCloud Drive and re-enable syncing for all apps. Doing this will most probably sort out the issue, if it hasn't. Another potential solution is to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check for updates, open the Settings app. Tap on General and then select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to keep your device up to date with the latest fixes and improvements. So that's all about it. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback is appreciated. Don't forget to hit the like button and, more importantly, subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.